Hi, my name is Britney and today I'll be showing you how to make butter slime. What you're gonna need is glue, activator, or just solution, like ice solution, and baking powder and clay, and a spoon and bowl. First you're gonna put the glue and you can just put as much as you want.
My name is Kamila and we're going to be using the contact solution as the activator. You could put little by little as. After the contact solution, you're gonna add baking soda. You're only gonna maybe need half of the spoon. If you need more, then you can add more.
After you put the solution in baking powder, you're gonna mix it.
Hi, my name is Anabel, and once you're done like mixing it, you're gonna mix it with your hands. Once it starts to form like this, you're gonna add your clay.
You're gonna want to get air dry clay, and then you can do whatever color you want. We're gonna do red and white to make pink. You're gonna want to just put in your clay and mix it. Okay, then it's gonna end up starting to look like this. That's how you make slime.
Look, see, I made it better. Anybody else is ready? Watch.
Shut up.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that, I want that. Ratatata.